Good evening, friends. This is time for trade update for 20th of April 2021 and for bit of a trade plan for 22nd of April 2021. Now the issue is that whenever we have a trading holiday or a weekend, the news just keeps on getting worse. Now the news is that 2.94 lakh people. These are the fresh numbers of yesterday. Delhi is 28,000. Maharashtra is about 62,000 fresh cases. So, this is not going to come under control. And finally, as I expected, all of India is basically getting into some kind of a lockdown. I doubt whether that will change the situation because, it is about 4 to 5 times of the last year's level of infection which is happening, and it's going to take till December to vaccinate everybody. So these numbers are basically not stopping. Now, how does the market react to this? S&P 500 had a bit of correction, but it's had a good time, so a little bit of correction may not be out of context here. So for the moment, I would like to request everybody to like, share, and subscribe this channel. And also, if you would like membership services, they are available in platinum, diamond, gold, silver, copper, etc. And you should uh, select the service that you want. For questions, WhatsApp 98710 or uh, email ashwani_gujral at yahoo.com, or just go straight away to the Ashwani Gujral YouTube channel and directly uh, do the formalities. Now, the SGX right now is trading at about 14,090 thereabouts, which from Tuesday's closing is about 200 points lower. My guess is that you will have a 300-point decline uh, at the open on the Nifty, and which would be excessive. So, for the moment, once the market opens 300-point gap down, it is going to be very, very difficult to get short at that point. So, excessive gaps generally, you know, play out in a manner where it is possible that you have a rally back towards the prior resistance level, and that could be a fairly large 300-point move. So that sort of excessive gap, once the market starts to stabilize, there could be a buy position which could be taken here, and there could be a sell position which could be taken at if the market goes back towards 14,200. So the sense is that early morning you will have almost a collapse where everything opens quite a bit lower, and once all the bears have sold, you could have a reasonably large rally also, for the precise reason that you will have excesses committed on the downside. So the way I would like to deal with this is that if you have a 350, 400 point decline on the Nifty, you want to see whether it is worth buying. Similarly, if you have a 1,500 point decline on the Bank Nifty, again, because the market has already come off and 14,000 is some kind of support, chances are that you would have this sort of a upside before the market comes off and declines again. So if I have to put some levels to this, the S2 for tomorrow is 14,024 and S3 is 13,841. My sense would be that if we open beyond S2, then recovering above S2 would allow you to get into a long position here, and closer to 14,200 you would look at taking fresh short position, because if you have a very large gap down, a further sell off often is not in question. So remember these two levels, 14,024 and 14,200. My guess is you will open around 14,000, from where you will have a tradable intraday rally. Similarly, on Bank Nifty, I think chances are you will open beyond 30,600, and again the S2 on Bank Nifty is 30,400 and S3 is 29,918. My guess is you will get 29,918 on Bank Nifty, and from those levels you have to wait for some kind of a pullback to start. The idea is you mark the half an hour high and low, and if half an hour high is beginning to get crossed on the upside, that would be a place to get long. Now people are asking me, what is the reason for getting long? The reason is simply that if everybody goes short on a market, then even without reason, you have a tradable intraday rally. Now this point here is 30,400, 500. I would think that if you gap down somewhere here, chances are you could again have a sharp rally towards the upside because of the level of the market. 30,000 is a place from where incremental sell-off just for tomorrow may not happen. So while the market is weak, but if there are excesses which start to happen on an intraday basis, the market can pull back as well. So broadly, the levels you have to remember is 29,918 and then a rally back to 31, 200 even may not be out of question, like it happened the other day, because what you have to do is, look at this 31,000, 31,200 levels. Now you see the lockdown has happened, all kinds of cases have happened. So it is quite likely that this becomes your congestion zone. This is 30,500 to 31,000. So if you open below 30,000, it is possible that you have a pullback up to these levels, and then again here you would have the sell opportunity. You don't want to take this long trade, no problem. Look for this pullback to happen. So the idea is that if the opening low is excessive, then chances are that that low may not get taken out. An excessive low could be 1,500 points on Bank Nifty, possibly 350, 400 on the Nifty, which is quite likely. Once that happens, then you look for a lack of follow through, look for some large green candles, and then above the first half an hour high, it is possible to take the buy trade from a very intraday type of perspective. Again, there will be stuff which is positive. So pharma, IT, FMCG type of things will do well. Economy stocks will do poorly, but be very careful. Yes, the news is gloomy. All the reasons, if I ask for reasons why the market should go up, there are no reasons. If I ask for reasons why the market should go down, you can tell me 50 reasons. But those reasons are known to everybody. So it depends on where you open. If you are opening 400 points, 300, 400 at the gap down, then the downside opportunity is limited. Then the only trade left is to have a recovery trade where people get trapped on the short side and they make the market rally. So it is more of an intraday type of trade, and I would get short only if we get back to these levels which were earlier support levels, 14,200 on Nifty, 200, 250, and 31, 200 on Bank Nifty. So that should be it. Be careful. Try to take profits quickly because the swings will be temporary, and the idea should be that you should be able to take some money off. Again, it depends on where we open. If we have a 100-point gap down, then possibly the buy trade will not happen. The buy trade comes in if you have a 350, 400-point decline. So the larger the decline, the more the sell trade is out of the picture and the buy trade initially would be on. So take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.